Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am sharing one of my favorite homemade cookie recipes. These cookies are made with simple wholesome ingredients, making them a healthier alternative to many store-bought cookies. They are soft, chocolatey and incredibly easy to make. Let's get started. First, add softened butter to a mixing bowl. Then add brown sugar and curd. Now mix everything together until the sugar is well combined and the mixture looks smooth. Now add the whole wheat flour along with a pinch of baking powder and baking soda. Mix gently until a soft cookie dough comes together. Next, fold in some dark chocolate chips. I love using Amul Dark Chocolate because it melts beautifully inside the cookies and gives them an amazing rich chocolate flavor. Now roll the dough into equal sized balls and place them on a baking tray lined with parchment paper. Add a few extra chocolate chunks on top of each cookie to make them look even more delicious after baking. Now bake them in a preheated oven until they are perfectly golden. Once they are done, let them cool completely before enjoying them. This step is important because the cookies continue to set as they cool. And that's it. Soft, delicious, homemade cookies made with clean, wholesome ingredients and absolutely no fancy equipment. If you try this recipe, let me know in the comments how your family liked it. I would love to hear your feedback. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Your support means so much to me and helps our little community grow. Until next time, bye.